It's not you versus them. It's not you versus her. It's not you versus him. It's you versus you. Sometimes you got to find a way to overcome yourself. Internal conflict. Yeah, we're going to have external conflict too, things we got to deal with on the outside. But the biggest war, the biggest battle we have to win is the war within. Had somebody reach out to me today, left me a message that said, I need some help being motivated. I said, what's wrong? The gentleman said, I want to go work out, but I'm just too lazy. Help me. It's not about me helping you. It's about you helping yourself. So you got this internal conflict, and that's what he had going on. On one end, I said, why you want to work out? Because I'm a little chubby, and I want to get buffed up, I want to get toned. Okay, so you got one side saying, I want to work out. I know I need to work out because I'm a little chubby, I want to get buffed up. Another side, you got the other side of your body saying, man, just stay, hey, keep eating your bonbons. Hey, we got a great TV show on this couch, it's comfortable. Let's be lazy. See, what people fail to realize is doing what feels good right now can cause